Animations create moments of wow that keep visitors exploring your client site. Here are over 30 animations that you can create using SquareKicker. We'll see some scroll effects, hover states, animated buttons, images, and text. And these are just some ideas of what you can create. But keep in mind that with SquareKicker, there's an infinite amount of possibilities, even just by combining multiple effects. This is a quick run through, and wherever possible, I'll link full tutorials in this corner. If there's a specific design that you want to recreate, leave a comment below. I'm Lorraine from SquareKicker. Let's go. To start off, we're playing with scroll effects. I have it here applied on images, text blocks, and also shape block, which is creating this door effect that I quite like. And here, same thing, applied on a button, text block, and image block, creating this nice movement. Next up, have a look at this. Rather than static blocks arranged on a page, you can use scroll effects to orchestrate an experience like this one. This particular look works well when trying to shift the mood halfway through a page, for example, which can be really useful. Another way to use scroll effects is by splitting your image in different layers to create this 3D parallax effect. Now keep in mind that you don't need to purchase individual plugins. One SquareKicker subscription gives you access to every single tool needed to create these effects that you're looking at today. Next up is hover. There's a range of effects that can be triggered on hover. For example, you can change the opacity, or you can add blur and get some text to appear on front of an image, or you can go from grayscale to color, or you can add scale and go to grayscale. Still with hover, here's a clever way of using the overlay with hover, where actually the overlay disappears and the image is revealed on hover, which gives focus to just one image at a time. Here's another way to push the possibilities on hover. I love adding playful hidden element on sites, and this is definitely a favorite of mine. I hope that gives you some good ideas of what you might create with hover. Now, when working on a client site, it's really satisfying to be able to add their personal brand in small details, like the navigation, adding the accent color when they hover on the menu, for example, or small shape changes like you can see here. I love these little details. Now, while we're at the top of the site, the announcement bar is one great place where you can animate text. Here I've got the typewriter effect, which is a favorite of mine. With this tool, you can actually cycle through multiple messages, which clients love. Now, something that I really like about scroll effects is that when added subtly, they can make a simple looking section feel a lot more elevated without being jarring or overtaking the content, and directing where you might want the visitors to look by bringing the focus on a particular word. For example here, body soap, that appears gradually over time as people are scrolling. Here is another example of a subtle animation added to this header, which brings movement and interest to the page. Now let's move on to image animation. Over here, we're using a stencil, which is kind of a frame that you can put around a video, like you can see in this example, or around an image on these 4 examples. Those images have an animated frame that you can see moving slowly, and I've also added some hover effect. Why not? Next up is magnetic motion. That's a really fun tool that you can apply either on one block, here on images, or on multiple blocks and get the content to follow your mouse. You can create literal playgrounds that's really good for increasing dwell time on your page. This is a favorite of mine, this effect applying both on the text block at the back and those images at the front. And you can, as always, pair it with other tools like here, there's hover effect and changing the opacity. That's also a tool that you can apply on buttons. Speaking of buttons, we have here a collection of buttons that I've created. Now keep in mind that I've just created those over a couple of minutes just to give you some ideas, but there's infinite possibilities. Another way to create animated buttons that are hard to resist is actually by using stencils. Next up, we're looking at section animations. This is using section slider to create a logo banner, which are really common requests to display sponsors or awards. Here I have paired it with a subtle hover effect and color reveal. Now, this next section is something totally different that you can create with the same tool, cycling through 4 sections slowly and keeping the page alive. And here's a third example using section slider, and a great way to show off your client's portfolio. I'm using the custom mouse cursor here, which adds some playful text upon hover. And as always, the magnetic motion, because I love that tool. And last but not least is horizontal scrolling. Here's the very simple version of it, where I literally have two sections moving horizontally. And of course, you can push it further. You can stack those sections towards the left and also adjust the width of each of these sections to create this really cool effect. Or you can have the background of the section sticky at the back to create this effect. You can also add scrolling effects to horizontal scrolling to create this look that I love. And here I'm adding horizontal scrolling, scrolling effects, and transparent section background to create this really beautiful look. I hope that gives you lots of ideas of what can be created. Use the link in the description to start your free trial today. No credit card needed. Go and play with all the tools and leave a comment below if there's a particular effect that grabbed your attention. We would love to help you make it. Thanks for watching. Oh, you're still here. Well, so am I. If you'd like to keep hanging out with me, you can watch this tutorial. Au revoir!